What's up, y'all? Let me introduce you to the Drift National. I've been talking about this for quite some time. This was a vision back when I had a Monte Carlo SS, but never got to put it in motion. Now we have this 87 Grand National. We're gonna cut it up and make it a drift car. Everybody's probably gonna trip on us, but you know, this was a thought probably about 6 to 7 months ago, something I've been obsessing over, and now we have brought it into the shop, got on the lift. We were about to get the motor out. I gotta give a shout out to the company and all the members over at Drift HQ for all the support and I guess technical advice they've given us on building this. I've seen one car, which was a Monte Carlo SS, which kind of got me gassed on doing this now recently, but he's got a nice little setup done to his, and I was like, shit, it's time for us to do it. The normal turbocharged V6 will be removed. We have a nice V8 power plant that we will be putting in it. I'll keep that on wraps for right now. But the problem with this car is it's an independent front, full frame vehicle, and then a solid axle rear. So for us to be able to get the angle and suspension geometry that we want out of all the drift cars, camber adjustment, toe adjustment, all that stuff, this setup won't work. So Drift HQ kind of steered us into running an S13 setup. For those that know, that's a 89 to 93 Nissan 240SX. So how to take a unibody chassis suspension and put it on a full frame. It's been done before. We're not gonna be the first ones, but not on this vehicle. So that's where we're gonna end up, probably cutting out this whole front clip, building a tube front end, and we will mount the S13 front subframe. We will be doing the same thing, get rid of the rear end. Not sure how we're gonna do it. Do the S13 rear subframe, and then we will run everything that Drift HQ offers as far as steering setup, angle kit for the front, and same thing in the rear. Still working with what we're gonna run as far as the rear end, because the power we're trying to have out of this is anywhere from 600 to 700 horsepower. So the 240 rear end's not gonna hold up. So that's what we're kind of playing with. Maybe either a 350 or one of these, I think it's quick change is what they call it, rear ends, but that's all up in the air. Right now, this is the last time you'll see this like this. For hopefully, so we're trying to blast with this, so I'll say like for a month. Stay tuned, I'm out. Moving over to this lovely, lovely OBS dually we're doing right here. Matt is over here installing the Stone Fab air ride kit. So we got the narrowed upper and lower control arms. Truck was already bagged, but obviously wasn't done properly, so we're redoing the whole kit. Front end's done, and then we are doing a complete back half, which you can see. This was the original setup that it had with leafs, and it had a little different bags on top of the axles with this weird mounting bracket, but yeah, we're gonna go clean that all up. We will be cutting off the back of the frame, pretty much from the rear, I guess the front bed mounts. So back here, it's gonna have an 8-inch notch in the back, getting rid of the leaves completely. 4-link, triangulated 4-link. So we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the gas tank as well. I'm just realizing that. Yeah, okay, let's go, let's go.
Say 20
pounds. 20 pounds.
Yeah. 20 pounds.
And what's this made out of?
Mild steel leaf spring.
20 pounds.
20 pounds.
All right.
All right, we'll get the final.
Now I'm thinking that it's more.
It's definitely way more. It's definitely way more. At least 5 pounds more. I feel like idiots carrying this thing around.
That's what I did.
40, 45.
40, 45?
Oh, shit.
He says 20.
I said 20.
God damn, that's 40, 45.
There's no way.
Yeah, easy.
It's 20 pounds. It's like half a bag of dog food.
Yeah, around 20 pounds.
20 pounds?
That's what I said.
Nah.
20, 25. That's what I said, yeah.
Seriously?
It's not 40. I think it's like close to 30.
No 70 pounds.
70 pounds? You're tripping. You just casually lifting 70 pounds like that? Yo, this guy thinks it's 70 pounds.
I said 40. He said 70.
I say 30.
30. No, ain't no fucking way.
27.
27 pounds?
Yes.
What the fuck? What the hell? But I be curling them 40s though. How much you think this weighs?
70 pounds.
70 pounds?
No.
Think about curling 70 pounds. Good.
50.
Huh?
50.
50?
Yeah, that's kind of what you
Yeah, I said 40 or 45.
25 pounds.
25? No, I don't think so.
Yeah. On the scale.
Really?
Yeah.
How many pounds?
Unos 15. 15 libras.
What does that mean?
15.
15?
Uh-huh.
Oh, closer.
25.
25.
Yo tengo mucho power. 60.
16 or 60?
16. 60. 60.
This? 70?
60.
Are you crazy? What?
30 pounds.
30 pounds? Interesting. Okay.
Why is that interesting?
I'm just interesting guess.
Yeah, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
I would say it's 40 pounds. 45. I'd say 40.
40?
Yeah, I would agree with him. Yeah.
I think there's something because it's a.
It's because of the grip. Like
You can't, if you're trying to, well, I got little,
you can't firmly grasp it.
no, you
There's a
can't.
handle right here.
That's yeah, but it's not like the same.
I can't even lift it this way because of my shoulder.
Don't lift it that way then.
I know, but I'm just saying how weird that you can't, like, I'd say closer to 50.
50. Go ahead, pick that up.
I know. I felt it the other day. I had to fucking take it out of the vise and shit. It's probably like 60 to like 70.
60 to 70? Yeah?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Final answer.
It's 27 pounds.
Fucking Nando's like it's more than 60. And I was like, I was like, fucking Nando.